Happy Saturday night. Make sure I'm in the right spot. I hope you're having a great Saturday. It's been good, but I'll be honest, it's been crazy. My life is just nutso. I'm just making sure I'm in the right spot. Tyler, my oldest, he works, which I'm very, very thankful for, and I pushed him to work because he needed it, but he doesn't have his license. Close. So running him back and forth to work, and then Casey started cross country, so that's 5-day-a-week practices, and then Jeremy's schedule, my schedule, and like trying to be available, and it's never lines up. Like it's like home for like 5 minutes and then I gotta go again, and home for 30 minutes and go again. And it just kind of, I hit that point today where it's like, I can't do that. I can't. Like, I had a nervous breakdown. Honest, I had a nervous breakdown and was like, I can't do this. I can't be everywhere and all the things. And so I decided tonight I'm taking it off. I'm going to do my live with y'all, and I'm going to go eat a daggone pie. I'm going to eat about half a pie at the store, and I'm gonna eat it. That's my dinner. I'm having half an apple pie for dinner. I don't even care. So tonight we are going to look at the warmer called Flaunt Your Feathers. Now, I'm trying to organize my life over here. You know what's funny is I opened up this warmer. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it all out. I'm gonna, set everything up, and they gave me the wrong bulb. I'm not 100% sure. I honestly don't even know what bulb this is for. I'll show you the difference because I was trying. I was trying to screw it in. I'm like, oh my gosh, why can I not screw this bulb in? Why can I not screw this bulb in? And then I looked and I was like, wait a minute. That doesn't look right, because I pulled out all the colored ones, because this warmer, amazing. Like, you can change the look of this warmer. So good. With a different color bulb. I can't wait to show you guys the one. It's perfect for the fall. Like 100% perfect. So you don't have to switch out your warmers. You just switch out a bulb and you have the perfect warmer for the fall, and then you have it for all year round. So before I show you the warmer, so this is the bulb that came with it. I think this might be a 20 watt, but I think they say on there. No, it says 25 watt. Okay, so it says 25 watt. This is the bulb that came with it. You ready? This is the bulb that fits in it. Do you see the bottoms? Look at the difference. It's kind of hard to see, but the correct bulb bottom is skinnier around. So I don't know. I could not get this bulb to fit in it. Even though it is a 25 watt bulb, I could not get this bulb to fit in it. But I got this 25 watt bulb to fit in it. And all the colored 25 watt bulbs are the same size. So I don't know, but we're going with this one. So, because I thought, holy crap, I'm gonna look retarded trying to screw this bulb in, and I can't get it in, and I couldn't get it in, and I was like, this is dumb. Like, why can I not screw in a light bulb? I felt so dumb. And then I pull out the right bulb. Boom. It went right in. All right. So we have a clear dish. Remember, this is called Flaunt Your Feathers. This is the last one of the new warmers that I did get for free. So I wanted to obviously show you. And then next week, probably Saturday, if not before, I'm going to show you guys the warmer of the month. It's so great. But anyway, clear dish. We are at 4 cubes. The four cube dish. All right, are we ready? This one, I wasn't highly impressed with it by the pictures. I was like, like it's not my style. And a lot of our warmers aren't. I'm gonna be honest. A lot of our warmers are just not my style, but that doesn't mean I don't like them. It just means they're just not my style. And this one, when I saw it in the catalog, I was like, like that's different. Holy crap! When it's on. Game changer. Game changer. Sure. So, okay, find my little bulb. All right, this is what it looks like off. You have all of this glass mosaic, and then this is black. The grouting on it is black, and it looks like peacock feathers. You've got like green, and then a blue-green, and then a blue is the way that it goes. And then all of these up top are blue. So that's what we look like off. It's got your little notch right here for your cord. You've got your little blue ones down here. Clear on the bottom, so remember you're going to get a glow from the bottom. All right, this is a clear bulb. This is the bulb that comes with it, all right? Look at that. This is the warmer that is in the picture for the post up above, the Scentsy in action, this warmer. So this is what we look like on. Clear bulb. All the colors really, really pop. Like the green, it looks really green. Some of them, you guys might not be able to see. Maybe off. Some of your little glass tiles, take that off. You guys might not be able to see. Like some of your glass tiles, they do have cracks in it. And guess what? That's a-okay. That gives it character. It really, really does. Your grouting is going to be uneven. Like, see, you've got like a really big piece of grout there and there, but then you got a little. That's okay. These are handcrafted. You kind of want those imperfections in it because then you have a unique warmer. It's a one-of-a-kind warmer. So that was the clear bulb. Do I have them all? Yeah, I actually do. All right, this is blue. Remember, blue never comes up super, super great. We're going to do blue. So the blue, it makes these up here really blue, and then it's almost like this top row that's green, then blue, and then the third row is purple. That's what it looks like. Like I said, it's kind of hard to see, but yeah, see, it looks purple, blue, and green. So that's what it's going to look like with the blue bulb. I'm saving the best one for last. I'm very excited. Somebody posted a picture of it in one of our Scentsy groups, and I was like, oh, holy crap. All right, purple. All right, purple. You ready? Again, purple is always a much, much darker color. Let me see. All right, I got like a little dark corner over here. So there's your purple. Hold on, I gotta figure out my phone. There we go. So purple is like a really dark blue. So it looks like, it's hard to tell on here, but this up here is a really, really dark, dark, dark blue. And then you've got your green, and then it's blue and purple again, just different than the blue. But that's this one. Purple never shows up great. Beautiful in the dark, but before it gets dark, you can't really see it. It's just the, you know, the nature of the beast with that color. That was why it took them so long to create a blue bulb and a purple bulb, is because something to do not only with the wattage and it having enough heat to melt the wax, but also to have enough like light passing through those dark colors to make these look good. So, all right, let's do green. I'm so happy I figured that bulb thing out because I felt really dumb that I could not screw in a daggone light bulb. All right, green. Somebody used the green for Halloween. Like they're decorating for their Halloween, and Home Goods, I think Home Goods, there's one thing at Home Goods and one thing at Joann's Fabrics, I think, but Home Goods has this base. It's got these hands, like these skeleton hands that are like this. I think there's 3 of them, and they're holding a dish, and like you're supposed to use it for candy or something like that. And somebody put like something in the dish to make it rise up a little bit, and then they stuck this in there because it's, you know, kind of spooky looking green, almost dragon scales is what they were saying. So you've got like a really yellow green here on your top row, and then a bluish green for the second row, and then your blue, and then these up here look green. So you could totally do that. You could use one warmer, super spooky, call it dragon scales. Oh, that was hot. Dragon scales for Halloween. And then we've got orange and red. Now, if you do get this warmer, it has one of these silica gel things inside the warmer. It's just like floating around down on the bottom. So do not forget to take it out. If you do not look in the bottom, you'll forget. Because I almost forgot and I knew it was there. Not that anything bad will happen, but just a FYI, remember. Alright, let's do orange. Alright, ready? Well, my orange bulb don't work. Wasn't that climatic? Anticlimactic, I think. Let's see. Yeah. Alright, orange doesn't work. That's okay. I wanted to show you the red one anyway. If red doesn't work, we're going to take a trip to the kitchen and find it, because the red one was the one I was really excited to show you guys. Alright, so when you put in the red one, turkey feathers is what everybody is saying, that it is the perfect for the fall. Oh, it is. So everybody is saying, you know, make it this part of your fall decorations, you know, some leaves down here. All you trendy people with pumpkins and acorns and all of that, that this is like turkey feathers for the fall. Up close, you can see the blue and the green, but still, it really does. This is a red bulb. So one warmer, you could do clear for all the other times, green for Halloween, and then that beautiful red bulb for your turkey feathers in the fall. All from one warmer. A lot of people don't think about things like that, like how warmers are gonna look. I personally, which is so funny, I hate switching out my warmers because I pick them out because I particularly like them. They're meaningful for me. I'm not a big decorator. I wish I was. I just don't have that skill in my life. So I don't, I'm not good at it. And so I pick warmers out more for, I like the warmer versus it goes with my decor. Just not me. So I hate switching out warmers because you have to store them. Take it out, put it away until you bring it out. I do flip for Halloween and Christmas. I do flip for those, but I hate it. So a great way that you don't have to switch out your warmers is getting a warmer that, well, now that all the bulb ones take different colored bulbs, but still think about it like this warmer could go all year round, and then you put in the green one for Halloween and call it, you know, your dragon scales. Then you put the red one in and you call it your Thanksgiving warmer because it looks like turkey feathers. So some of our warmers are really, really good about that. You can even just take a plain one like the alabaster warmer. That one's so pretty no matter what color you stick in it. But you stick a green one in there, it's perfect for Halloween. You can stick a red one in there and it's good for Christmas or Valentine's Day. Blue you could do for like Easter or something like that. So there are a lot of warmers that you can go ahead and do that where you're still holiday but without having to switch them out. Even though we do have a lot of beautiful warmers to switch out, I'm not super good at decorating. It is just a skill that I did not grasp. I can't figure it out. Ask me to organize your house, I can do it, but I can't decorate it. So there you go. That is the last of the new warmers that I have to show you guys. If you have any questions, shout at me, and I'm off to eat some pie. So you guys have a really good rest of your night, and I will see you guys next week.